Greetings and welcome to another excellent World of Tanks video. This is another in my preview series of the Halloween operation that will be happening in October. This is my Hollenhund, the one that I chose last year. This year, I'll choose a different tank. I haven't even considered what I would get for sure, but we'll worry about that later. What I'm going to show you is another fabulously impressive display of the value of the Hollenhund, both as a combat unit and as a commander building monster. So I hope you would leave a like for this video. That'll help spread the word around YouTube for new players who are looking and haven't yet stumbled across my videos. So now that we've done that, let's get to some business, shall we? Welcome to Nomonhan! Okay, do I have a good one for you or what? As you can see here, we have a tier 10 match with 6 tier 10s. Hooray! We are on our way, Captain. Yeah, this is a moderate length of a match, nothing really long. But man, the excitement you're going to see is crazy. In the beginning, it's always tough. Where do you go? You know, where are you going to likely to find some good spots? Took a random shot at that guy. Didn't connect, but hey, I had a shot. He didn't see it coming. You got to take those. Any that you hit is just total bonus. Alright, there's a couple of guys out there and just don't know what kind of guys they are. Shot-wise, there's a light tank off to the right. Now, as a light tank, my primary job is to do something about light tanks. It's a tier 10 match. They're way bigger than me. So I don't want to fight tier 10s unless I literally have to. And preferably in situations that will be beneficial to me in some regard. Now this one light tank is hanging out at Charlie 1. He is an AMX 13105. He's starting to get on my nerves. Now this guy's asking for it and he's dead, and then my guy's dead. And well, that was an even trade. A T-30 for a Vanguard. Actually, the Vanguard is more dangerous than a T-30. It's super fast. It's almost as fast as me. So I'm giving this guy the old drive-by treatment. Tag, you're it, buddy. Now he realizes what a bad place that was. Boom, you're dead. I'm feeling good. I killed a tier 10 light tank right off the bat. Those guys hanging out that spot. I'm like, Arr. But I got dudes moving up. Look, my dudes are moving up. It's time to go. Oh, I'm going to be a thorn in your side. That was my own guy, no biggie. I'm so fast, you can't catch me. Boom, took just a swiping shot at that guy. Oh, you missed, too bad. Speed kills, baby. Oh, look, broadside, battleship style. Perfect. Another one. Boom. Toast. That's a Jagdpanzer E100. Hey, buddy. Got a present for you. How's it feel? Didn't like that. He didn't like that. He's dead, Jim. Got him. So now we're heading out to their base to see what kind of deviltry we may perform. And I'm like, Rod, they're on my base. I gotta go back. I told him I'm the fastest guy. I'm on my way. Who knows how many guys were listening to me, but I told them. Spoiler alert, this is the part where it gets good. Although the first 2 kills I made were really good to begin with. I mean, you make 2 kills like that in a tier 8, you're like, hey dude, I'm doing real good. Now you notice this guy's blocking me there at G3 tank destroyer, so I gotta go and take an extreme edge attack down the baseline along the first squares. So what am I at? G1 right now. I want to stay as far away as possible. I need to get a good angle. There we go. That was a miss. Oh look, you've got a flame tank. Well, whoop-de-doo. Ah, that's the one I killed. I did not get the drift of the name of it. I killed that TVPT. That's the flame tank tech tree version. Now, look at this meat that I have over here. Oh, buddy. There's a tier 10 IS-4 and a tier 10 Centurion AVRE. I'm so vicious, I'm shooting 2 different guys in my base. One shot and he's dead. I missed. He's gone. It stopped me and that's going to get me killed. And I'm dead. That's okay. Him and his tier 10 IS-4 are almost dead. That's how abusive I was to them. Ha ha. I almost got 5 kills, dude. It was awesome. It was absolutely awesome. That was a mega beating. And we got him. Super fantastic. How's that tier 8 Hollenhund look now? That Barosk did a great job to get 3rd place as well. Centauro 45 is a tier 10. That's a shocker. I haven't seen one of those that high in a long time. Here we are at the end of game screen. And that Barosk did great, I'm telling you. I would be thrilled if I would have gotten 3rd place in a Barosk in a tier 10 match. I'm not even gonna hide that fact. Now, I don't have any boosters running on this. This is just my commander and tank with the commander and tank bonus points. 17,000 is a lot of points in this tank. Of course, 3,200 damage and 1,300 plus spotting for a 45-86 total is the reason why. 4 kills, that didn't hurt either. So that is one of the 2 best games I've had in the Hollenhund. This one has the best damage that I've ever had. These are common medals, really, with a first class badge. I also had a game in this tank on Prokhorovka where I had 8,600 spotting. Once again, I checked. That was a first place badge as well. So, man, I don't have an ace badge in this tank. I don't know what the heck it takes. What it takes. Blah, blah, blah. So, the fact that this monster 4 kill, 3,200 and 1,300 assists doesn't get an ace mastery badge is criminal. That was an absolutely magnificent performance. I mean, yeah, you could theoretically do better, but man, I don't really see how. But, you know, it was a great game. I can't complain. I'm just, you know, flabbergasted that I couldn't get an ace performance with that stat line. It was unreal. But the Hollenhund is a butt kicker. Top speed of 87. And, you know, I made relatively easy work of that 13-105 tier 10 light tank, which was kind of crazy. So, just to give you an idea how good the Hollenhund is, you saw it for yourself. Tier 10 match, MVP. You can only do marginally better by getting the Ace Mastery badge. Beyond that, outstanding. Of course, staying alive would have helped, but I almost killed that 5th guy, the IS-4. He had a sliver of life. He was 1 bullet away from being dead. The one shot that I hit that AVRE that didn't kill him, if it kills him as it should have, then I kill the other guy with the next shot. So when it does that fake, your shot bounced baloney, and I'm being kind when I say that, that's where the game is cheating you. You watched it happen right there in front of your face. So I just tell it the way it is. If they don't like it, that's their problem. It's not my problem. I had a freaking fantastic game, and the scoreboard showed it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you learned something. Please leave a like if you would. It will help a lot. Tell your friends. That way they'll have a chance to like and subscribe themselves. So, look forward to seeing you guys again in another video. And thanks a lot for watching.